got her ears up. Okay, she's turned away now.
Possesses the house or something.
Oh my god.
Make sure it's good.
So you've been waiting to freaking get a light bulb.
I literally went. I could have gone to the store, but I'm
Oh shoot!
Wow.
okay.
You scared her. She's gone.
Look at that.
She doesn't want to bother
It's
it.
actually like.
Where's she going?
Behind the couch just to get away from the looking at you.
That is weird, bro. Get rid of that thing.
Bro, okay.
Was that the light bulb or was
Nah,
it
they're
like
not paying attention now.
Bro, I ain't ever seen anything like that. Let's put this away. I don't want to risk
Wait.
that. What the hell is that?
I don't know.
I got you.
This is some sort of freaking ritual. Maybe it's some plumbing or something.
Could be the time too, right? I don't know why that pretty much the last in the box, bro.
I'm gonna go for.
I don't care.
Not this one. Obviously, she was kind of like, you know, a little. I don't want to say it, but like. Anyways, let's keep going through here.
No, they don't give a shit. Oh shit. Oh,
I didn't even see that.
what are you making out with that?
Blood.
Oh, it's not recent. Okay. Oh, I thought it was recent.
It's dried up.
Yeah, it's right up. Okay, that's good. Look back.
It's kind of strange.
Yeah, let's
Andy's looking out the door thinking it's outside.
This one's confusing.
Because you remember
Who?
Making out with the bloody.
Where'd you put
She's
that?
making out with the bloody bill.
It's the person who bring this.
No, she's probably sitting in front of the bell making sure I don't grab it.
pretty well. What else is in here? We've got. Wait. Foxy's eye patch.
Yo, that's cool.
Okay, wait a minute. I know this is not. Foxy, be honest.
What the?
Oh my god.
What the fuck's that face for?
Where Fox's iPad.
What's that face for?
At 3 a.m.
Oh my god.
Okay, I gotta. Sorry,
I mean, you have to take it that far.
What? Listen, okay, I'm just joking. Really cool tool. 'Cause, you know, she's only got one eye.
That's working.
Is Foxy a boy?